When the world is loud and my heart feels weak, questions rising, answers hard to see, I come to you with open hands, no pride to hold, no other plan. I don't need to know it all, I just need to hear you call. Give me faith like a child, pure and unashamed, trust in every promise, calling on your name. In the storm or in the light, I will rest in who you are. Teach my heart to believe with faith like a child. I've tried to walk by what I see, but you ask me just to believe, not by strength, not by sight, but by hope in your guiding light. I lay my fears at your feet. In your love I find my peace. Give me faith like a child, pure and unashamed, trusting every promise, calling on your name. In the storm or in the light, I will rest in who you are. Teach my heart to believe with faith like a child. No fear of tomorrow, no weight of the past. I know you are with me, your word will stand fast. I'll run to the Father with tears or a smile. Forever I'll follow with faith like a child. Give me faith like a child, humble, meek and true, holding to the Father in all I do, till the day I see your face. I walk in trust, not fear. I will live, I will believe, and feel like a child, just a child in your arms, safe, forgiven, reconciled.